recording?
Excuse me, sorry.
You gonna get this video, Ted? Oh, man. I want to see how this thing works.
The cool thing is if your heart's...
Is he gonna come? Let's go, Mark. They win. It's like getting tased.
1 minute. The best part is you just do it when I don't.
Are you just random?
Just let me talk and blah.
You volunteered.
Hey, you're part of the company. If your head blows off.
Yeah, right? Yeah. I'm not fighting nothing.
No, we need to. We're gonna make it look professional.
That's the emergency safety, so that's good.
We're gonna make it look like a
Oh my God.
goof. We gotta make it look good beforehand.
Yeah.
All right, really quick, I want to cover a couple technical pieces on the vest before we set it off. The vest by itself is fully self-autonomous. You don't need any connection to the bike or a bike. So if you're riding and you have 4 different bikes, you can go from bike to bike to bike. It doesn't appear. You don't have to have a phone on you or any connection to anything. If you're riding with your buddy and you want to swap lives with him, you're not going to have to run into an issue. It operates off of an algorithm that we've patented over our past 25 years of airbag technology. We were the innovators in the airbag. It does run off a GPS locator, gyro, and then accelerometers. Also, it has a vibration sensor in it. So if you're on an electric bike and you hit 6 miles an hour, it activates as long as you have it turned on. If you get on the bike while it's turned on, it picks up the vibration. Whether it's a Goldwing or a Harley Davidson, you still know you're on the bike, it still is activated.
Right.
Now, if you're in a parking lot and you turn it on, you're trying to figure out a map and somebody backs into you, knocks you off your bike, it'll still go on. So that's a beautiful feature about it. And at the same time, if you're coming out of your neighborhood, wet manhole cover or something falling over it. But yeah, it's a great feature, and you never know when you're going to have an accident. Feel free to come up and feel how hard it gets too. That's a good indication. We use argon gas, so it's inert gas, and then it also switches front and back because you're over or under. So, yeah, it's 1 canister per shot. Canister's a little bigger than this. This is a race one. They're 139, and they go in the back portion here. But the bag by itself. The bag by itself is the one we sell earlier. This canister is the one that's in here. This bag can be filled easy. So, yes. So 129 for these. You can do it on the side of the road. You have to have your phone with you. But other than that, if you can go cross country with this, you can go to Europe with this. No. Well, the jacket, yes, maybe, because you would need the extra coverage distance. But you don't need to run a back protector because with the airbag inflated, it's 7 times stronger than the level back protector, 5 times stronger than one protector.
Oh wow.
749.
That's not bad at all.
No. And again, you can repack it 3 times. You do have to send it in to have an airbag.
Yeah?
But you don't need to do it for the canister.
I thought it would go away after like 5 seconds.
It stays inflated for after you long you disconnect the canister.
Oh.
Say like you're knocked out, all you want is to still be
Here.
on there.
Get a little beer.
So does it stay inflated until you inflate it?
Yeah, from what we've seen, yeah, it's supposed to slowly dissipate, but we've seen that it stayed pretty much inflated until you disconnect the canister.
You want it inflated.
What's that?
So let's say you have an incident. You want it inflated until you're somebody looks at it.
Until somebody could actually get to you. Yeah.